Okay, well, that's you. But on the other hand, me, oh, I'm gonna turn up.
I'm here to be a part of a program where we are helping to create a line for Mowry, and I'm super excited. Like, this is like a full circle moment. You know, when you watch somebody growing up, you're like, wait, I can help you with something that I love.
The power, and also the thing to be aware of with that too.
We made it, like, we did it! So yeah, such a cool experience. So much time we were able to help her cultivate such a great hair care line and its messaging, and I'm super excited to try it on my hair. So I'm going to be using the moisturizing shampoo. This helps gently cleanse the hair but also softens the hair, and my strands are able to experience that because of their key ingredients like Hemi 15, which helps nourish the hair and moisturizes the hair from root to tip. And this is a very unique ingredient to have, and it also has watermelon extract, which has minerals and vitamin A, C, and B complex that helps hydrate the hair, and so many more key ingredients that help my wash routine go so smooth. One of the first tips that I want to give is to take your time and be gentle on your hair. You don't want to rush through this process because it's going to make you feel overwhelmed and frustrated. And as a result, your patience is what? Out the window. So you end up tugging on your hair, wanting to just be done, or not really getting to your scalp and your hair strands as much as you can with the shampoo. And so now we have buildup still left in our hair, and that's what we don't want. And now I'm able to move on to their next product, which is their moisturizing conditioner. Now, if I have to shout out a fave so far, it is definitely the moisturizing conditioner. This helps hydrate and nourish my hair, once again bringing in that Hemi 15, also watermelon extract, and then this time around, once again, using that hibiscus oil that has really great fatty acids, and it helps with strengthening the hair and also boosting moisture. So as you can see, my focus is moisture right now. The next tip that I want to add is working in sections. When you are experiencing or going through this wash day, okay, you want to make sure that you are working in sections. This helps you save time and frustration when doing your hair or even someone else's hair. I pull on my hair, you all know that, and with that comes tangles and knots. Finding moisturizing products to help with detangling is a must, okay? And you saw that shine on my hair, you see it. So now we're just going ahead and twisting that on up. My front has a little bit of heat damage just because I was living it up with my straight hair, and yeah, it adjusted to that, if you know what I mean. Last tip I want to say is that when it comes to wash day, make sure you are using products that are going to combat the exact thing that your hair is experiencing. So if it needs moisture, find that. If it needs to be clarified, use that. I am cleansed and conditioned. The hair is looking good. Y'all already see it. I don't have to explain that. Now I'm grabbing For You by Mowry. This is her leave-in curl cream. Now this is a lightweight leave-in cream that helps with moisturizing and smoothing out the curls. As you can see, the whole collection is about what? Moisturizing your hair, okay? We like that. And what I would go ahead and do with this is use that as a base, and then I'll go ahead and use the gel. This product has ingredients like Hemi 15, flaxseed oil that helps with defining the curls, but also apple fruit extract that helps with hydrating and softening the curls. Now it's time to use the curl defining gel. Now this is a soft medium hold styling gel that helps with adding shine and enhancing your curl type. This product has Hemi 15, once again, as I mentioned earlier, nourishing and moisturizing for the hair. It also has aloe vera, which helps with strengthening and conditioning the hair, but also to adding that shine, okay? But also we have flaxseed oil, which really helps with creating like this flexible film that really defines the curls. Now I am going to be doing a 2-strand twist. I went a little bit smaller so that I can wear them a couple of days and then do a twist out a little bit later. So that's what you're seeing me do here. So mini twist, but my version of mini twist. And I'm really liking how the product is going in. As you can see, the shine that it's adding to my hair. It definitely softens my hair as well. Found that this gel was a lighter hold for my hair, and that a little does go a long way. So don't overdo it, okay? Take your time. You see the twists are juicy, okay? It was looking good. So definitely love it for a twist out, mini twist. Also probably like a low sleek bun as well. So a lot of different styles that you can do with this particular gel and have some fun with it, okay? For You by Tia main focus is your natural hair journey made simpler. I definitely experienced that while using their products, but also too, those wash day tips are so key. Just like their multi-use hair oil, it is so lightweight and you can use it for a pre-poo or on your ends, as you see me do in this clip. But I truly love how they decided to use this key ingredient, Hemi 15. As you see, it's all throughout each product, and it's because it truly nourishes and hydrates the hair. And it was just truly an honor to work with Tia Mowry on her hair care line. Look, For You by Tia is here, y'all. This is a collection that is backed by science, has clean ingredients, and it's also affordable. And it's available to purchase at Walmart. Make sure y'all check it out. If you already tried it, let me know down below too, and how you have been using it to moisturize and style your hair. Share it down below. And wow, such a full circle moment where you go from just seeing samples to actually seeing it on the shelves. Once again, congrats to Tia Mowry on For You by Tia. This is an awesome collection, and I'm so glad that you all are able to see exactly all the things that she put her heart and soul into come to life.